Today we're unpacking the delivery of our frameless shower glass. We ordered it from Frameless Shower Doors and are very pleased with the product and the manufacturer for providing everything we need for the installation. This may sound like a commercial for Frameless Shower Doors, but let me assure you we're not being compensated in any way by them for this video. We're just very much impressed with their entire process and their product. Frameless Shower Doors tech support walks you through detailed measuring for ordering your glass. The shipping container was very sturdy and well cushioned. They have several videos on their website detailing installation, and they provide an installation kit that includes all your hardware, silicone, bulb shower door seals, door sweeps, shims, a tile drilling bit, and even a suction cup handle for handling the glass. I would definitely say that we would order from them again in a heartbeat. So be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we post the shower glass installation video in the bathroom remodel playlist. See you next time.